All right, boys and girls, hello again. Good to see you guys. So glad we can do this. It's so much fun for you to be able to do this, I'm sure, when you can't be here at school. Still miss you guys so much. We're going to begin with our good morning song again. Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning, boys and girls. I'm glad you came to school today. Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning to all of you. I'd like to wish a good morning to Quinn. I hope you're doing great, Quinn. Who else? Cameron, good morning to you, buddy. I miss your nice smile. Good morning to Ben. Good morning to Evelyn. Ivor, good morning to you. Madeline, good morning. Sarah Grace, good morning. Miller, good morning. Calder, good morning to you, buddy. Bradley, good morning. Caroline, Charlize, Ralston, and Violet. Good morning. All right, so I promised you that today we would have a little review of all the letters of the alphabet. So we're going to begin with our new letter of the week, which was the letter X. X. X says X as in fox. X says X, X, X. All right, now you can say it with me. Ready? X says X as in fox. X says X, X, X. All right, you know how we do it. I'm going to take our pile of cards. I'm going to mix the letter X up in the middle, and then we're going to review with all of them. I'd like for you to just say the sentences with me for each card. All right. B says B as in bat. B says B, B, B. M says as in man. M says mm. N says as in nut. N says mm. W says w as in wind. W says w. Q says qu as in queen. Q says qu. U says as in up. U says T says t as in top. T says t. I says I as in itch. I says I. F says f as in fun. F says f. O says as in octopus. O says ah. Z says z as in zebra. Z says z. D says d as in dog. D says d. R says as in rat. R says H says h as in hat. H says h. A says a as in apple. A says a. X says x as in fox. X says x. C says k as in cat. C says k. P says p as in pan. P says p. V says v as in van. V says v. L says as in lamp. L says ul. K says k as in kite. K says k. Y says y as in yellow. Y says y. G says g as in game. G says g. S says s as in snake. S says s. J says j as in jug. J says j. S says s as in bugs. S says s, s, s. All right, boys and girls. Actually, I don't think that last one was supposed to be in there. I don't know how it got stuck in there. But anyway, sometimes S makes the Z sound. I don't know how that got in there. That was silly, but that was fun. All right, boys and girls, those are all the letters we've learned so far. So we're going to go right into our numbers now. We have learned to recognize up to the number 20. We should be able to count maybe a little farther than that, but we've learned to recognize up to 1 to 20. So let's go ahead and review. I'm going to mix up our cards. Remember, if it has a 1 in the front, it's in the teen family. If it only has one digit, it's in the ones family. And then if it has a 2, if there are 2 digits, if there's a number 2 at the beginning, then that means it's in the 20 family. All right, are you ready to begin? We're going to go ahead and begin with the easiest one. All right, what number do you see? Good, number 1. Good, number 5. Good, number 4. 15, good job. 13. 17. 12. 2, that was an easy one. 19. 8. 11. Now remember, this one doesn't make the teen sound in it, but we know it's in the teen family. 3, that's right. 18. The ball's on the top, it makes the number 9, that's right. Ball's on the bottom, it makes the number 6, that's right. 14. 16. 7. 10. Oh, and our newest number, 20. That's right. All right, boys and girls, this is something that you can do on your own at home. If you have some cards or even some paper, you can cut them into little strips or cards of your own, and you can make your own little practice cards if you'd like to do it that way. So I'm so glad to be able to do this again with you guys. Next week we'll learn our new letter of the week, and then we'll do some more review, and just keep in touch that way. All right, good to see you guys. Can't wait to see you again. Bye-bye.